guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Girl channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete accessories in Roblox. So maybe you got tired of your Roblox accessories like the hearts, carp, shirts, and the rest of that, and you just want to delete and have a change of one to another, right? So first thing you have to do is you have to work with your PC to be able to do this, because I found out that if you use a mobile, it's not going to work out perfectly well. So me, I'll be using the website because it's far better than using the mobile. So once you open up your browser, all you need to do is you can look above. Right there, you can see those three lines above, and what you're going to click next is you have to click on inventories, and once you click on inventories, it's going to show you your accessory. I don't have much, just one, which is the heart, the verified bonafide paid field. Yeah. So how are you going to do this? So once using your PC, all you need to do, you're going to click on the verify bonafide and the name. Right above the name, you're going to see three dots, and on the three dots, which is supposed to be this one, you're going to see remove from Roblox, and once you click on that, it's going to remove. Unfortunately, because I'm using a mobile website, that's why I can't find the remove. But if you try it to PC, it's going to work out for you. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.